All right, welcome back. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to understand what machine learning algorithm is and what machine learning model is. Okay, so most of the time when you're starting your career, at first in this field, it's possible, it's actually possible that you get confused when to use algorithm, when to use model, when to say what, right? And if you finish the course and you're speaking, you should speak like you know what you're talking about, right? You should know when to use a machine learning algorithm and know when to use machine learning model. Although most of the time, people in the industry just interchange these terms, and it's because most of the time they don't really know the distinction between algorithms and models. But having a role in this course, you need to get things clear, right? This is not one of those courses. You should get things. As clear as possible. All right. So let's start by getting an understanding of algorithms and then models. All right. Now, when we talk about machine learning algorithm, right? When we talk about machine learning algorithm, we are talking about the procedures, right? We're talking about the procedures. Actually, let me change this pen to this to make it more clear for you to read. Okay, we are talking about the procedures that is run on data, right, to create machine learning model. Okay, so you have your algorithm, right, and use your algorithm to create model. Right. So in the simplest term, that's what you need to understand. That you're going to have algorithm which is already built for you. Your job is to create model. Okay. The algorithms are already there. They've already been created long back ago. Right. Your job is to learn how these algorithms work based on these algorithms and then create your model, right, based on the use case that you're working on. Okay, so that's the main, the summarized differentiation over here. Right, when you have your data, you're going to let your algorithms that you're going to choose, right, learn the patterns in your data. Right, you're going to make it to learn the patterns in your data. In machine learning terms, we call it fit. Right, that is when the algorithms are learning from your data. We call it fit. So mostly when we get to the practical part, you're going to hear me saying that we are going to make your algorithm, right. You're going to make your algorithm. I'm shortening it to algo. So if you hear me saying algo, it's just the same thing as algorithm. Okay, you're going to make your algorithm fit. Okay, fit on the data. Okay, fit on the data. Okay, so that's mostly what you're going to hear. And fit means learn. All right, fit means learn. So if you hear any fitting over there, we are talking about learning, right? That is the alternative or the synonym to the word learn over here. In machine learning terms, we don't use learn, we use fit. Okay, so we let our algorithm fit on the data set. Okay, instead of saying that we are going to let our algorithm learn from the data, we are saying that we are going to let our algorithm fit on the data set. But it's just the same thing, just a fancy way. That machine learning people want to do. Now, the result of that, right, when your algorithm learn from the data, the result of that is what you refer to as model. Okay, so that's why earlier on I said that the algorithms are already there. You just have to know which one to use, when to use, right? And then you, based on that, you create a model. Okay, now in machine learning there are several algorithms. Just these are just a few of them that you see over here. In this course you're going to learn, almost all of them, right? Almost all of them. If it's not in this course, then it has not appeared, right? They have not researched to bring it out, but whatever is there that is recognized in the industry, you're going to learn it in this course. Right. So we have linear regression, we have logistic, we have decision tree, and to fit on the data. Remember, fit means learn. Okay, fit means what? Fit is the same thing as learn. All right. So when you let your machine learning algorithm fit on the data or learn from the data, the result is what is referred to as model. And you're going to have something like this, right? Right. This is what you're going to export, right, as your final result, and this is what you're going to use in production to make all those recommendations and all those fancy things that you see out there, right? This is the outcome of your final thing. This is the only thing. So you're going to see something like model.pkl or model dot something, right? Something like that, and that is the only thing that you need. Okay. So in summary, right, let me just summarize everything over here for you. Maybe let me choose something close to white. Okay, so in summary, you're going to have your algorithm, right? Your algorithms are always going to be there. You just have to learn how to use it. And then when you use it, you're going to apply that algorithm on data. Okay, you're going to apply that algorithm on data. Let me push this one here. When you apply it on data, you're going to have a result, right? That result is what is referred to as what? Model. Okay, that result is what is referred to as model. All right, so this is the basic differentiation over here and the relationship between algorithm and model. Okay, you have algorithm, you learn how to use the algorithm, you apply it on data or you fit it on data, and then you're going to have a result which is referred to as model. Okay, so I'm sure by now you should understand the difference between algorithms and then model. Although in the industry, it's possible that you're gonna hear, algorithms and models being used interchangeably, which is not a crime, right? But you should know when someone say it to you, that's in a better position learning from this course, you should know what the person wants to say, right? So if they have missed something, you should be able to be in the right position to correct them or point them to what they really need to say instead of what they have said. All right, and going forward, that's what we're going to do. We're going to use this algorithm to create several models and then apply it right in the real world. Okay, now, in the next lesson, we're going to see the main types of machine learning algorithms, right? We're going to see the main types of in the next lesson.